Hello friends, this video is brought to you by www.muayteaching.com.
Let us see what will be the equation of a line which is parallel to the x-axis. But before that, let us see what is the equation of the x-axis. We know that coordinates of the point on the x-axis are of the form 5, 0 or -4, 0 or in general x and 0. This is because the coordinate of y on the x-axis is always 0. So we can say that equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Similarly, on the y-axis, coordinates of the point are 0, 4 or 0, -6 because x coordinate is always 0 on the y-axis. And so we can say that equation of the y-axis is x equal to 0. Now consider the equation x minus 2 equal to 0. This gives us x is equal to 2. If we plot it on the number line, we get a point which will represent the unique solution x is equal to 2. But this equation can also be treated as linear equation in two variables. Then we get x is equal to 2 minus 0 multiplied by y. Now, like any other linear equation in two variables, it will have infinitely many solutions, as we can make a table for any value of y, x will be 2. That means every point is of the form 2 and y, where y can take any value. So now let us plot a graph. We plot 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2 and 2, -3 and join it. Our graph is a line which is parallel to the y-axis, whose equation is x is equal to 2. If we call this line AB, then in the answer we can write that as an equation in two variables, x minus 2 equal to 0 is represented by a line AB parallel to the y-axis. And so we can say that linear equation in one variable has a graph parallel to x-axis or parallel to y-axis depending on the variable used in the equation. That means if the equation is ax plus b equal to 0, we will get x equal to minus b by a and the graph will be a line parallel to the y-axis. Similarly, a linear equation cy plus d equal to 0 will give y equal to minus d by c, whose graph is a line parallel to the x-axis on the Cartesian plane. Let us read the question. Solve the equation 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3 and represent the solution on the number line and on the Cartesian plane. Let us start by solving the equation. We bring the like terms together and get x is equal to minus 4. We know that linear equation in one variable has a unique solution. So our unique solution is x equal to minus 4. Let us plot it on the number line. If this is our number line, then x equal to minus 4 is this point on the number line. Second part of the same question is to plot it on the Cartesian plane. So let us consider linear equation to be x plus 0 into y equal to minus 4. This gives x equal to minus 4 minus 0 into y. Now this is a linear equation in two variables, so it will have infinitely many solutions, and we can construct a table. For any value of y, x will be minus 4, and now we can construct our graph by plotting these points. We plot minus 4, 0 and the points minus 4, 1, minus 4, 4 and minus 4, minus 1. Now join these points. Our graph is a line AB parallel to the y-axis, and it is at a distance of 4 units from the y-axis.